Totalkare is an organisation focused on providing equipment and services for commercial vehicle workshops. So we're looking to basically provide the solution to anybody who wants to lift, test, maintain, service.
Our customers would generally identify a piece of equipment that we can provide. We'd offer site visits, expert advice. Then after that, we can offer a market-leading service in terms of repair, maintenance, breakdown, and training as well.
If it's a piece of equipment that actually we need to assess the best solution for the customer, we always try and go and see their workshop. We try and understand the fleet of vehicles that they're operating and make sure that we get the right solution for them.
From the moment we take a call and speak to a customer to the second we deliver their lifts or we go to a call out to site, it's being friendly, reliable and expert from the minute that starts.
We service and install literally tip to toe of the country. We offer a nationwide coverage of engineers dotted around from a central hub out of Kings Winford here in the West Midlands. I think ultimately everyone dealing with mechanical equipment knows that from time to time you can need assistance, and being able to respond quickly, efficiently, and offering mechanisms like telephone assistance to get a customer up and running quickly and efficiently, that is the key.
We do everything possible to get them the best value solution, not just for today, not just for tomorrow, but being their long-term partner. And it's that trust that the customer has in the brand and in the business that we're there forever. If they buy a piece of equipment from Totalkare, they know that we're going to be looking after that equipment for as long as it is absolutely feasibly possible.